welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some products that I was kindly sent over from StyleVana. They sent me their October PR box and I have been enjoying their products now for a good few days. I've probably incorporated a lot of them into my skincare routine. The first product that I'm going to show you is this one, and it is Madagascar Centella Probio Cica enriched cream. So it's a moisturizer cream, and what I'll do is I'll show you what it's like. You have to take a little bit off. You get a little spatula sent as well with it, this little thing here, and I'll just so you could see, take a tiny little bit out like that. I'll put it on the back of my hand so you can see, and it's like that. It's basically a nice moisturizer. It's meant to be good for inflammation, redness. It's got a lot of like key ingredients in it as well. Yeah, I've been really liking it. It's a lovely moisturizer. And we'll go on to the next product. The next product I'm going to talk about is this one. I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong as well, which I do apologise. Haru Wonder Black Rice Toner. Again, I've incorporated this into, using it after I've done my cleansing. It's a black rice toner. It's meant to be hypoallergenic as well. It's really, really nice. I really like it a lot. It's fragrance free too, which is good. It'll be good for people that have got sensitive skin like me. I do have sensitive skin. I'll move on to the next product. Right, the next product is this one. It's Awi Sun Airy Fit. It's a 2-in-1. It's a moisturizer that's also got sunscreen in it, which is really good. When it's the warmer weather, and you could put this underneath your makeup as well, which is really good for me. Again, I've been loving this product because I could put it under my makeup and go out and not worry about the sun bothering my skin. Not that at this moment in time we're into colder weather, but this will be really good when we get into the warmer weather again. We'll move on to the next product. The next product is this one, Mary and May. It's a Sunstick, which is got factor 50 in it. It's got a lot of anti-aging agents in it as well, which is really good. Again, this will be one that I use in the summer when we get back to the warmer weather for sure. It's really nice. I'll show you how it works. So you flick it up like so, and then obviously apply it. Absolutely brilliant. I will definitely be using this in the warmer weather. Brilliant product. Hi, and this one is a serum. It's by the Lab Blanc Douche, or I'm probably pronouncing D-O-U-X, probably pronouncing it wrong. It is a serum. It's basically like a light moisturizer, and it's to try and improve elasticity in your skin and to balance out all the oils and the moisture in your skin. And obviously it's got collagen in it as well. I've been incorporating this into my skincare routine as well. I'm really enjoying it and noticing a bit of a difference when using this. I am going to continue using it. We'll move on to the next product. And my final product that I have is Coxer Black Snail Eye Cream. It's meant to be anti-aging, basically, to fight to obviously prevent and help wrinkles. Again, I've been using this, putting it around my eyes. I have noticed a bit of improvement with this product, and I will continue to keep using it, definitely. What I'll do is I will put my code at the bottom of the screen that you could use. It'll get you a discount on any products if you want, and I'm going to continue using all these products. I have to thank StyleVana for sending me their lovely October PR box. All the products have been fantastic, and I will keep on using them. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye.